Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about a new chatbot. So, where it having a different kind of databases. So, we will give some important research prompts and we will see how this chatbot will works out. And also, you can use this chatbot as a search engine also. So, we can ask some technical questions and let us see how this chatbot will works out, and will analyze our prompt and it will generate answer for us. So before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on DC and AC microgrid modeling with PV, wind and battery systems. In this workshop, we are going to model PV, wind and battery systems with a DC microgrid, and then we are going to form a AC microgrid incorporating it with grid. So that is main grid, and then we are going to operate this in grid connected mode as well as standalone mode. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Another important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on conference and journal paper writing with AI tools. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different kinds of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring better content out of ChatGPT for research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the first AI tool what we are going to discuss is that POE2DB. So this is a new AI tool launched here. So here you can search for skills, guides and more. So whatever you want you can search. So first I am going to give some prompt like this: generate an introduction for the research paper titled Machine Learning Algorithms in Energy Management. So after that you can give, please add some recent trends in that topic. So like that you can give an input like this. So let us see how this chatbot will generate answer for us. So it is having different kinds of databases. So here for this it is not generating any content, so no results found. Try with different keywords. So let us see how it will works out. So machine. So here I have given a prompt like this here. So here you can see that how to write a research paper. So here you can see that, so writing a research paper, so it will give you like a guide. So writing a research paper is a valuable skill that can benefit academically, professionally and personally. So here it is a step-by-step procedure for how to write a design, that is research paper. So this kind of prompt only works out in this particular chatbot, common chatbot. So here you can see skills, in this you can see skill gems, support gems, skill tree and build guides, discussions. So I am going to click this discussions. So these are some of the discussions, recent discussions here, and then video guides. So just click on this video guides. So this kind of video guides only available, so not that much technically well-versed video guides. So here how to create this POE2, that is chatbot, so like that kind of guide only available. So this chatbot still have to be that is analyzed properly. So it is yearly access launching, so still it has to be trained. So 40 days more to train this POE2DB, that is powered by POE. That is many of you may aware about this POE tool. So it is also a chatbot, so you can use this until this chatbot has to be developed. That is, so still it is in early access only. So you can use this chatbot, so you can generate better content using this POE. So here this chatbot works out well for you. So here I am going to give generate an introduction for the research paper title. So I am going to give the same prompt as I have given in the developing a chatbot. machine learning algorithms in energy management. So like that you can give an input, please add recent details. So like that you can give. So here you can see that the interaction is generated here. So you can use this chatbot until this this new chatbot has yet to be developed. So but it is having unique options like character skills, build guides, discussions and video guides. So this video guides will be very helpful for us to analyze our input prompt. So but it is still in developing stage. So until now you can use this option, that is poeai.com, poe.com. You can use it as a chatbot in order to give your own input prompts and see how it will work out for our writing. So this is how this new chatbot will work. So still it has to be trained properly. So I thought actually I am visiting this chatbot for the first time only, as I have checked this is one of the early access chatbot. So I have tried with some research question, but this chatbot is especially designed for this kind of, that is especially for this gaming and that is technically non-technical related things only. So you can skip this one, so and you can use this POE itself as a chatbot, and you can generate better content for your research paper writing. So you can go on and explore this POE chat, as I have made already video regarding this POE chat detailing. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.